Oh, salah, salah.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes up when I'm gone. Oh, you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been. Laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms to go back to the phone. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Oh, you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your dog about my leg. Or tell your brother Cliff, whose fist can tell my lip, you never really liked me anyway. Or tell your Aunt Louise, tell anything you please, myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to watch out for my mind. I'll be walking out on me today. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man. And don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man.